So this video I am showing how to numb the brow. So we are applying the 4.5% lidocaine onto her skin like frosting a cake, like that. So you roll very gently and take a little extra because there are a lot of nerve outside. And with this procedure, we want to numb her about 5 minutes just to take the edge off. And we will be covering these brows with plastic wrap. So we are going to cover a little bit so that the air is still coming in, but cover it enough because some of the primary numbing can dry out very quickly if you don't cover it. So this is providing numbing to ease the pain of the client for in the permanent makeup procedure. Over numb is not good. However, a little numb can really help easing the pain. So we are applying 4.5% lidocaine onto the already designed brows, and the procedure will last for about 5 minutes, and then we will remove the numb so that will take the edge off.